every single minute. Over 500 hours of the video are uploaded to YouTube. By the time you finish watching the first 40 seconds of this video, nearly 14 days of non-stop content will have entered the system. Today, the internet is flooded with platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, Netflix, etc. But they all share one common problem: none of them can dethrone YouTube. Despite being one of the oldest giants on the web, YouTube remains the undisputed king of the video. But why? Why the creators stick with it even when they complained about it? And most importantly, why is it practically impossible to build a real competitor to YouTube? Today, we dive into the business and engineering behind the ultimate monopoly. Most people view YouTube as just another video app, but from a system perspective, it's the world's largest searchable archive. TikTok feeds you short-term dopamine, Instagram show you a created reality, but YouTube provides utility. Need to learn coding? YouTube. Car broke down? YouTube. Deep dive macroeconomics? YouTube. YouTube rates more like Google search than a social network. People don't just open to kill time, they open it because they need it. This utility creates a completely different level of user retention. When a platform becomes a utility, it stops being a trend. It becomes infrastructure. Here is the multi-billion-dollar secret that keeps competition away: the infrastructure cost. Hosting billions of hours of video in 4K and streaming them globally with zero latency requires an incomparable amount of server power. Google accomplishes this through its massive custom-built content delivery network (CDN). For any new computer, storage and bandwidth costs alone would cause financial bleeding before they even acquired their first million users. TikTok and Instagram survive because short, heavily compressed virtual video require a fraction of the data. YouTube, through most, is just its code. It is the massive server farms owned by Alphabet. Building a YouTube compiler is not a software challenge, it is multi-billion-dollar hardware nightmare. Creators often complain about YouTube, the copywriting system, the algorithm chips, the monetary policy, yet nobody leaves. The reason is simple: the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube is one of the very few platforms that treats creators as utility partners. Through AdSense, YouTube disperses their locally %55. It's ad revenue directly to creators. On TikTok or Instagram, millions of views might the new few dollars from a generic creator pool. On YouTube, it decided high CPM advisors looking at deep dive content and generate life-changing income. And to that, membership, super chats, and sponsorship, and you have the bulletproof business ecosystem. The creators might experiment with other platforms, but they always return because at the end of the day, YouTube is where is sustainable business life. In economics, there is a concept called network effects. The more people use a platform, the more valuable it becomes for everyone else. Viewers and or YouTube, because all the top creators are there. Creators stay on YouTube because the entire global audience is there. Breaking this loop is nearly impossible. Over the last 2 decades, YouTube has integrated into our daily habits. It has effectively replaced traditional television. The new generation doesn't even browse cable TV channels, they browse their YouTube subscription feed. You can copy YouTube interface, you can build a video player, but you can't copy 20 years of deeply integrated human habit. The ultimate power doesn't come from a single feature, it comes from the perfect intersection of data, infrastructure, creator economics, and consumer habit. As long as Google funds the server and shares the ad revenue, YouTube will likely remain untouchable. But what do you think will stress the Web3 platforms or new AI-driven video networks or disrupt this monopoly? Or YouTube simply too big to fail? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and financial insight. See you next video.